Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Generative AI, Making Your Computer an Artist and Writer. Imagine your computer not just following instructions, but actually creating brand new things, a unique painting, a catchy poem, or even a piece of music. That's generative AI, unlike traditional AI that might recognize a cat in a photo. Generative AI can draw a cat that never existed before. It's like giving your computer a creative imagination, letting it produce new content on its own. So, how does a computer learn to create? Think of it like a chef learning to bake a cake. The chef doesn't just memorize one recipe. They learn about ingredients, proportions, textures, and flavors by trying thousands of cakes. Generative AI models are trained on massive amounts of existing data. Millions of images, texts, or songs. They learn the underlying patterns and rules, not just to copy, but to understand how to generate something new that fits those patterns. You might have heard of AI that can detect spam emails or identify faces. That's discriminative AI. It makes decisions or classifies things based on existing data. Generative AI is different. It's about producing new data. Instead of telling you, this is a picture of a dog, generative AI can draw a brand new picture of a dog that no one has ever seen before, complete with unique fur patterns and expressions, based on what it learned about dogs. One of the most stunning examples is image generation. Give it a text prompt like, a majestic cat wearing a wizard hat in space, and boom, you get a unique image. These models, often called diffusion models, work by starting with pure static, like TV snow, and gradually denoising it, guided by your prompt, until a coherent image emerges. It's like starting with a blurry idea and slowly bringing it into focus, painting pixel by pixel. Generative AI can also write. Large language models, LLMs, are trained on vast amounts of text from the internet, books, articles, conversations. They learn how words connect, how sentences are structured, and even different writing styles. Give an LLM a prompt like, write a short story about a brave squirrel who saves the forest, and it can generate a coherent narrative. From a developer's perspective, these are powerful tools for generating content, summaries, code, and more, all through simple text prompts. As a developer, you don't necessarily need to build these giant models from scratch. Most of the time, you'll be using pre-trained models via APIs, application programming interfaces. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You tell it what you want, your prompt, and it brings you the result. Generated text or image. You send your prompt to the AI service, and it sends back the generated content. This allows you to integrate powerful AI capabilities into your own apps with just a few lines of code, without needing to understand the deep AI science. The possibilities are endless. Beyond art and writing, generative AI can compose music, design new proteins for medicine, create realistic virtual worlds, generate synthetic data for training other AIs, and even help developers write code faster and more efficiently. It's a tool that amplifies human creativity and automates complex generation tasks, opening up new frontiers for innovation in almost every industry. Get ready to build amazing things. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.